Hey everyone, welcome to Jiaa Kitchen. Today I came with a simple and easy recipe, the Semolina Upma. Let's see what are the ingredients to make this. So these are the ingredients to make Semolina Upma. First thing we need is semolina, then 1 cup, mustard seeds, dried curry leaves. If you have fresh one, then it tastes better. Then red onion, salt, water, green chilies, ginger, 2 teaspoons of clarified butter, 1 red chili and black gram splits. Now let's finely chop these green chilies, ginger and red onion first. Around 1 tablespoon. This is around half a tablespoon. We don't need this nose part. It won't taste better. This is around 1/4 cup. Let's add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let's microwave this for about 30 seconds. The mustard seeds spluttered nicely. Now to this add the rest of the ingredients. There goes 1 teaspoon of black gram split, 1 red chili, ginger, green chilies, now onions. Also some dried curry leaves. Let's mash them in between your hands. Let's microwave this again for 30 seconds. This well. To this add 1/3 cup of semolina. Microwave this mix again for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds they look like this. Now to this we are going to add water. So we have added 1/3 cup of semolina flour. Same amount of water we are going to add to this. Add salt to taste. Mix nicely. Microwave this again for next 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, mix nicely and they are ready to be served. You can eat in this cup itself and top it with some clarified butter. I'm going to plate this. Tasty and fluffy semolina upma is ready to be served. You also try this recipe at home and let me know how this turned out.
If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more such videos. Take care. Bye bye. See you. God bless you.